Peace in Canada. So as always, with all platforms, you're going to get, some asshole with a big mouth, and opinion. Anyways, I got my first, I guess, troll comment here, and I'm not even going to mention the moron's name because that's all he is. And went to the profile, and again, no profile picture, no content, so it never surprises me. But anyways, no matter where you go, there's going to be a little bit of ugliness. This platform's been pretty good so far, but I again, as there gets to be more people on it, it'll never fail. There'll be some negativity. But anyways, the way I look at it, anytime I'm trolled, it's a good thing because the trolls are watching me and I'm not watching the trolls. But anyways, love and peace to you all from Canada.